Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sasson, and tonight, me and my friends are going bowling.
Alright, we getting a strike this time.
Oh yeah, this time the charm.
Yo, Palm, you ready? This is how to roll a strike.
Say less.
Man, that shit going straight in the gut.
Oh yeah.
Oh, he actually got it.
Yeah, that's how you do.
Alright, you ready for this?
And this is how you hit a strike.
You got it.
What we got? What we got?
Alright. Prince, you ready?
Yeah, man. On my 32nd birthday.
Alright. Happy birthday to it. That's in. Oh.
It's the third, so we got 3 left.
Yep. Alright.
We'll roll with this one. You think I got it?
I think you got it.
You think I got it?
Yeah. You got this. Oh. Or not.
Tengo mucha hambre que podría comer un caballo.
Oh. Dude, that is so hot, I bet.
Oh, el tocino, el queso. Hamburguesa sin mayonesa.
Oh yeah.
I might start having to get you to pour my stuff for me, man.
Hey, that's what I gotta do. All right. Hey, that's my thing, Yeah. This is it.
Signing out.
All right.